What is punctuation? Punctuation consists of capital letters and the marks such as full stop, comma, and brackets used in writing to separate sentences and their elements and to give clarity to the meaning implied. End marks, period, note of interrogation, note of exclamation. First, I will discuss about full stop, or you can say period. The period is also called full stop in England. A period declares the end of a sentence. It also indicates the separation of sentences so that the readers cannot mix up different sentences. A period is used at the end of a sentence which is complete and not a question or an exclamatory sentence. Here you can see the examples. Next, interrogation. The note of interrogation is used to complete sentences that form a direct questions, indirect questions, and are regarded as statements, and they take periods, not question marks. Okay, next topic is note of exclamation. The note of exclamation indicates excitement, either positive or negative. It can also be used for giving additional emphasis to sentences, phrases, or single words, and especially to commands and interjections. Now, next is exclamation. The note of exclamation indicates excitement, either positive or negative. It can also be used for giving additional emphasis to sentences, phrases, or single words, and especially to commands and interjections. Comma. The comma is the most useful and common punctuation mark in English. It has many important roles in making a written form of English easy to read. Commas usually add breathing scope for the readers in sentences so that their thought cannot get all jumbled up. A comma has many uses. These are the examples. Colon. Colons are the least used punctuation mark. The usage of colons is limited, yet if you know how to use them, you will be able to use them in your writing. Here you can see the example of how will you use colons, semicolon. Semicolons are almost like periods, but they connect to independent clause or sentences together instead of using a coordinating conjunction. Semicolons between the two clauses or sentences indicate that the clauses are closely related. Semicolons can be replaced by the coordinating conjunction. Hyphen. Hyphens combine words together to make a compound noun or adjective. Hyphens are also used with some suffixes and prefixes such as like, wise, anti, and post to make new adjectives. Example: anti-violent, dog-like, ability-wise, decision-making, city-owned. Dash. A dash hints a brief break in thought or helps to add information to a sentence. A dash has no space before or after it. These are the examples. How will you use or how will you put dash between two words? Okay, apostrophe. An apostrophe indicates the position and the exclusion of letters in contractions. Here you can see the examples. Quotation marks. Quotation marks are used for enclosing direct quotations of written or spoken words of others or dialogue said by characters in fiction. Next, parenthesis. Parenthesis block of materials that interrupt the text to add information. Brackets. Brackets enclose the additional things in the quoted material. These additions are used for clarification of the words or phrases of the quoted materials. Good morning, students. Today I'm going to take your revision class and I will discuss about punctuation, which is related to your topic writing skills. So now before we discuss this topic, first I will discuss about what is punctuation.